I am Dharmesh Gala and working at Accurate Industrial Controls as the Director of AI and Robotics. I shifted to this new house last year, and this house has a terrace and access to this terrace only by staircase. My parents both close to 80 plus, and they could not access the terrace because of their condition. So I tried several options, and one of the options that I came across was this fabulous machine, the Nibav lift. The lift fitted absolutely my expectations bills. It did not require any special preparation to get it installed, and the power requirement of the lift was minimal. And one of the other thing was it had a complete transparent body, so even in an aged person, if it gets trapped inside, he's viewable, and the safety features of this lift was fabulous. You don't see any screws, any other fittings, so it looks like a completely molded body, and the movement of the lift is also very subtle and soft. You can hardly feel the motion. That was all plus and plus. I selected the color combination which really matched my decor. It really fits in so well, this color. It looks like it is an integral part of the whole apartment. From the other options, I felt Nibav was the best in terms of aesthetics, and it really complemented my whole architecture of the home and fitted very, very well. It came very nicely packed in small components. I being on the 12th floor, all these components were discreetly transported and then fitted over here, aligned, and this was done in a couple of 2 to 3 days time. Everything went well. I think that was one of the best experience in terms of getting the lift installed at my place. The Nibav lift is part of my parents' routine. Okay, so there is a routine set for them in the morning. Just near the sunrise, they go up to the terrace. They'll be there for almost an hour or so, where they will exercise, roam around, soak in the morning sun, and then transport back down the Nibav lift for the breakfast. Okay, so that's a very integral part for them. Just imagine if it was not there, they were completely enclosed in this house only. So I would say that anybody who is going to go for a Nibav experience, he will definitely have very satisfying experience to have such an equipment at home.